Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and this is another day in my life on a random cold Monday. I start the day with my coffee and I get out my planner and try to figure out everything I need to get done. James catches the bus for first grade around 9. He's really into this dance move right now. I often will take Norma out for a walk around the block right after bus stop duty. I was talking on Instagram about how I'm trying to get outside every single day, even in the winter. If you're not following me, I'd love to connect with you. My handle is @takecaremama. I put a couple drops of essential oil on the shelf of my shower. That works so well because the water doesn't wash it away, but the steam puts it all into the air. Then I do my quick makeup routine and get to work in my home office. I work about 16 hours a week and I really take advantage when Norma is sleeping. I've been getting back into zone cleaning. I learned this from how Jen does it. You see we have a Halloween pumpkin on top of the fridge. I actually lost this footage, so I filmed this a few weeks ago. But on this day, I was to clean out my fridge and freezer, like really deep clean, take everything out, throw things away that you don't need anymore, and wipe everything down, and it felt so good. I played in the kitchen for dinner tonight, which I love. I'm not a big recipe follower, and I wanted to try an Alfredo pasta sauce with almond milk instead of dairy milk. We are not dairy free in this house. You can see I'm putting butter in right now, but we never really buy cow's milk, and so I wanted to see if it would work, and spoiler alert, it works. So I sauteed some veggies as you saw, and then I added equal parts butter and flour and made my roux. Now I'm adding almond milk to make a bechamel, though I don't think it's a real bechamel because it's almond milk. And then I add my Parmesan to make it Alfredo. I think I'm getting all those sauces correct, but feel free to correct me if I am wrong. I've showed this a jillion times, especially on my Instagram, but I keep all my veggie scraps in this freezer bag, keep it in my freezer, and when it's full, I make veggie stock. I cooked these amazing, I feel like they were egg noodles. They were like weird noodles that I've never seen before, but pretty much egg noodles, and combine it all together, and Norma was a fan, as was everyone else. We had story time at the library this night, but I got her night diaper ready as well as her pajamas so that when we got home, I could just put her to bed. Also, her diffuser ready. I do 4 drops of lavender or another calming oil. Love this diffuser. It's also a sound machine and a nightlight. We had such a fun time at story time. James came with us this night. Check your local library. There are so many great free resources, and I don't think you'll regret it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care, Mama. Bye, guys.